Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, January 31st. It's 4:14 and 20 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see my computer clock on the right. On the left is the time and sales for the EMini S&P, and we can see that the regular session is going to end in just a few seconds. The trade's going off just before the close at 28.29 and a quarter or so. It was a fantastic day for the auto trader. Before we begin, I just want to discuss a few things about transparency and your choices for auto trader. Okay, we know you have a choice for auto traders out there, and I just wanted to just kind of throw some light about who we are and where we are coming from. And I want you to consider that, you know, if you are trying to decide on our product versus a competing product, I want you to consider the source. Consider the transparency of the videos. Notice in our videos, we always show the time and sales with the trades going off. We always show the full chart that you can very clearly see the time and the price and the symbol in the front month. And in the title bar, you see today's date, which is right here, January 31st. We show the trades, we show the drawdown, we show the winners, the losers. We don't refresh the charts in the middle of the day because we don't have to. Our auto trader is fully automated. Our stops automatically trail. We don't give fancy names to our systems. We don't have corny names. I don't give myself a title, a fancy title, such as head trader or something like that. I'm a trader and a programmer, and that's what I do. I don't need to build myself up to something that I'm not. Head traders are, you know, people in hedge funds that supervise a group of traders or something to that effect similar. Another thing about our auto trader is really nobody competes with us when it comes to an auto trading program. No one has a configuration panel like this with everything laid out and organized and all the features that we have. We have our trade manager on the right to help you interact with the auto trader if needed. All our stops are trailed automatically. They don't need to be manually moved. You can actually make changes to the auto trader on the fly. For example, if you want to change your profit target, that can be changed without refreshing the chart, and a number of other features. So again, consider the source, consider the demeanor, what I sound like delivering my videos. Do I exude confidence? Am I always searching for words to say, or do I have some command and emit some kind of confidence that I know what I'm talking about and I know our software really well? We are approaching 500 videos, and in those 500 videos, we show the transparency, we show the performance. My whole goal in what I'm trying to achieve in our videos is to show consistency and performance of our auto traders. We do have losers. We have charts that are losers. I plot a number of charts. I am also trying to achieve versatility, showing the versatility of the auto trader, that it can trade on many different charts and many different time frames, and we do not hide the time frame from you. So there's just a few things. Again, consider the source, consider the professionalism. We don't have claims on our website that are sensational sounding. We don't claim things like our auto trader is like an ATM machine. We don't make claims like you can trade for a living, because even with the best tools available, and our auto trader is a tool, that trading is very difficult. There are winners and losers, and it requires discipline. But that's one of the things that automation brings to the table, is discipline. Without further ado, let's get into today's video, because it's a really good one. We had a lot of winning charts today. First up is the DAX on the 34-tick line break chart. Another unique thing about our auto trader, I don't know of any auto traders that can effectively trade line break charts. We have true limit orders. We're not just limited to one type of order. This chart hit its goal of 2,000 for the day, and we had a couple of tick slippage because we enter a market order when we hit our goal. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Superenco 10 tick, and this had two trades. This is using our line break logic. Another unique feature of the AutoTrader, our line break logic can be just applied to any chart. So the AutoTrader has two modules. This also hit its goal and had a couple of tick slippage at the end. There was two winners, as you can see here, and we're trading only two contracts. Okay, next up is the mid cap on the Superenco 6 tick, and we had a little bit of a drawdown here, three losers to start out with. We drew down about $560 and then we recovered, and I believe we may have hit our goal of 1500. Indeed we did, and we had one tick of positive slippage. This is trading two contracts. Okay, the DAX on the Superenco 7 tick was fairly active, but a lot of winning trades here. This hit its goal of 1500. Okay, next up is the DAX on a 150 tick line break. Just a few trades here, 4 or 5, 6 trades. This did 1612 for the day. Our goal on this one, I believe, is 1500. So we had a pretty good deal of positive slippage here, probably on this push down, move quickly, and we got filled. So over $100 of positive slippage. Okay, next up is the mid cap on the Superenco 14 tick. We had a number of trades here doing 1370 for the day on two contracts. Our daily goal on this one is 1400, so we probably did have some slippage but hit our goal. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ trading three contracts. This was fairly active today, mostly sideways and then down and then up. We had an equity high of about $400 and then had a minor drawdown, less than $100 below our start point, and then it was straight up from there to about 1330. Our daily goal on this one is 1300, so we had some positive slippage on this one. This is also using our line break logic. Next up is the EMini S&P on a 987 tick line break chart. Once again, our line break charts showing that our AutoTrader can be very efficient on a line break chart. Went mostly sideways and slightly, very small drawdown, about $50, and then straight up from there to 1300. Our daily goal on this is 1200, so $100 of positive slippage in the EMini S&P is quite a bit. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a 377 tick line break chart. This did 980 for the day. On two contracts, our goal is 1000, so we had a little bit of slippage at the end, but two really nice looking trades back to back. The EMini S&P on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi tick chart, this did 987.50 for the day. Half a dozen trades or so, very little drawdown, and then after the 10 o'clock hour, all winners, and we hit our goal of $1,000. And this one is trading two contracts only. Okay, next up is the EMini S&P that starts trading pre-market. This did hit its goal of 1,000, did 987.50 for the day on three winning trades in a row. This is trading three contracts. Next up is the crude oil on a 150 tick Heikin-Ashi chart. This did 1,060 for the day on a number of trades. From the 10:30 hour, it was pretty much all winning trades from there. Prior to that, we had a mixed bag of winners and losers, only drawing down about $200, no big deal. Okay, the 30-year bond on our 377 tick line break chart. We've seen this chart almost every day this week and last week. This did 1,031 and a quarter. Our goal is 1,060, so we had one tick of slippage. This basically had three winners in a row. All right, this is another chart that's winning almost daily, if not daily, quite a bit. Very consistent is our EMini S&P Superenco 2 tick with a 4 tick higher time frame. This hit its goal of 750 and had some slippage. And you can see the trades here, up, down, up pattern as far as the trades go. Now in our auto trader, the background is the higher time frame. Okay, last but not least is the crude oil on a 987 tick line break chart, finishing at 400 for the day, trading 2 contracts. Overall, really great day for the auto trader. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website where you will find no hype or sensationalism, or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.